If you ever find yourself with way too many tabs open in Google Chrome, tab groups are one of the easiest ways to stay organized. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Chrome tab groups quickly and easily so you can sort your tabs, reduce clutter, and make browsing much more manageable. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tips. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once your browser is open, find the tab you want to organize into a group. Now right-click that tab, and from the menu, choose Add Tab to Group. Then click New Group. This tells Chrome that you want to create a brand new tab group instead of adding the tab to an existing one. After that, Chrome will give you the option to customize your group. Type a name for your group so you can recognize it later. For example, you might name it Work, School, Research, Shopping, or anything that makes sense for the tabs you're collecting. Next, pick a color for the group. This is really helpful because it makes your tab groups easy to spot at a glance, especially if you use several of them. Once your name and color are set, press Enter to confirm. And that's it, your Chrome tab group is created. From here, you can continue organizing more tabs into the same group whenever you want, which makes it much easier to keep related pages together. This is a small feature, but it can make a huge difference if you regularly browse with multiple tabs open. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.